Children, now once again let's summarize whatever we have learned in today's class. In today's class, we have started with the third part of the chapter, India before the times of Shivaji Maharaj, and we have also completed it. In this third part of the chapter, we have learned about Maharana Pratap. Maharana Pratap ascended the throne of Mewar after Uday Singh. He continued the struggle for Mewar's existence. Maharana Pratap became immortal in history due to his qualities of valor, courage, self-respect, sacrifice, etc. Then we have learnt about Chand Bibi. Chand Bibi defeated the fort of Ahmednagar in the difficult times. She was a capable daughter of Hussain Nizam Shah of Ahmednagar. She died because when the fort was attacked, there was discontent among the Sardars of Nizam Shah kingdom and she was murdered. Then we have learnt about Rani Durgavati. Rani Durgavati became the queen of Gondwana when she was married. After her husband's death, she took charge of the administration. Rani Durgavati was born in the dynasty of Chandal Rajput. She was an excellent administrator. The struggle of Gondwana Queen Durgavati against the Mughal is important in the medieval history. She laid down her life while fighting against Akbar. Aurangzeb became the emperor in 1658 CE. During his reign, the Mughal Empire extended its boundaries. Then we have learnt about the conflict with Ahoms. The Ahom people were the people who settled in the valley of river Brahmaputra from the Shan community. They were facing problems because the Mughals were attacking their region again and again. So they gathered together to fight against it under the leadership of Gadadhar Singh. They used guerrilla technique in the conflict against the Mughals. Then we have learnt about the conflict with the Sikhs and their fighting spirit against Aurangzeb. Then we have learnt about the conflict with the Rajputs. At last, we have learnt about the conflict with the Marathas, and we have learnt that Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj had fought with all the powers to establish its Swaraj.